Hi, this is Janet, live session. As usual, I promised to come back this weekend and I'm here. Okay, I've been busy, sorry, I haven't shown up the whole week. Okay, but I hope you find this video wherever you watch and share. All right, we are talking about Canada today. Okay, live session today. We are talking about Canada and the many ways of going to Canada. Okay, many ways of going to Canada. Do not be surprised with my dressing up today, please. I'm going to explain why, okay? We are going to learn how to go to Canada. It's a crash course. I promise you it's a crash course, okay? It's a very quick summary because so many people are watching me now. They are new. They've never met Janet Rangi, and now they found Janet Rangi, okay? They found Janet Rangi, and today we are going to talk about the ways of going to Canada very quick as a summary. For those who've been on this page for a long time, you already know these ways, okay? But, you know, stick around. With Janet, you never know. You never know what you'll meet next, okay? I'm going to a rich person's party, okay? We are going to a party today. And you know, even Janet, if Janet is going somewhere, she has to show up for her people, okay? So I say, you know, let me dress up. I only have shoes left and my little bag, and then I'll show up at the party. Okay, so these are the many ways of going to Canada. All right, thank you so much for coming. Use your buttons. If I don't comment, I love you so much, and thank you so much for always showing up. Okay, all right, so I'm going to a party's graduation week. That's why I'm looking like this. Okay, so this dress will even be a night dress. Do you like it? Okay, I'll show you, but let's go to the Canada video first. Now let me start with the visiting visa. Visiting visa is the most popular. Visiting visa, you know, Janet is just telling you so that you know that these are real things. And by the way, before I continue, we know that nothing is promised. We know that already. But what you cannot come and tell us on this page, oh, Canada is not handing visas like candy, no? Who are you? How did you reach Canada in the first place? I've never understood even these people who come to America and they just say, it's hard to come here. Don't come. Why are you here? Why don't you come? Go back where you came from. Okay? So please, all right? The whole world is doing this. As you can see the title, if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But it's good for us to be informed than not to be informed, okay? It's better for us to know what the world knows. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And especially if you're in Canada, you cannot tell people that Canada is not handing candies, all right? And I love you so much for coming. I love you so much for coming, all right? There is no other way to go to Canada other than what Janet is telling you. The people who are there, this is how they went. This is how they went. Okay? Visiting visa, number one. By the way, if you don't like immigrants, exit. You know, I go wash my car, and then when you're done washing the car, they tell you, exit, exit, exit. Okay? So if you don't like our videos or our followers and what their things are, exit. Okay? We love you so much for coming. Visiting visa. It's the easiest, it's the fastest, okay? Now, people say, if you use a visiting visa, how will that help you? Okay, maybe I should have changed the title to permanent residency. So if you go to Canada on a visiting visa, and by the way, all this information, canada.ca, you just apply, you don't need an agent, go and put in the work, follow people like Janet Rangi, believe in yourself, go to the website, go for visiting visa, spend 1 or 2 weeks on how to use a visiting visa to Canada. Thank you so much from Ghana. I see you and everyone else. Okay? So once you identify visiting visa, these are the benefits. Okay? Now we've gone to the embassy. I'll make for you a video on how to apply for that. But today I'm just telling you the quick ways of how people go to Canada. Okay? Visiting visa. You've applied. When you reach Canada, okay, you cannot work, of course. Okay? But you can meet people and they will tell you how they went to Canada, and then you can plan when you go back home, or you can plan when you're there, okay? When you stay there, you find out if you can extend that visa and learn more, okay? Have I told you? Number two. Number one is to learn with a visiting visa. Number two, you can explore schools. You can explore schools that are using people, okay? You go look for a school and never travel with your documents sometimes. You know, you can have people mail it to you. Because sometimes they think when you walk around with documents, you are never going to go back. Always you want to prove that you'll go back home on these temporary visas. If you are new on this page, temporary visa, you're supposed to go and go back home, okay? Permanent visas means permanent residency, okay? So any temporary visa, you have to demonstrate that the goal is to go do what it took you there and you go back. You're there on a visiting visa, okay? You can't work. You liaise with people. You find out schools. Okay, number 3, you can find an employer. Okay, and see if these employers can make use of your skills. How about that? And if they like you, okay, and explore and see if they like you and keep you there and eventually give you permanent residency. Okay, number 4, visiting visa, you can marry. And by the way, marrying means you go there, you meet someone who loves your accent, you love their accent, they love your food, you love their food, they love how you look, they love your teeth, and it's legitimate. You fall in love, basically. That's what Janet is saying. And it's legitimate. It's not a shortcut. That is another way how people have gone to Canada. I'm saying how it happens. I'm not making this stuff up, and I didn't come up with these policies. These are things I've read and I've seen, okay? This is how people go to Canada. We've explored visiting visa. So don't think it's just a visa, it might not help me. Go with that mindset. You are not going to work. You are not going to become a permanent resident, but you are going to visit, you are going to learn, you are going to network, you are going to look for schools, and you are going to look for employers, and you are going to marry. Some of you come from countries where there is, persecution. Political persecution, okay? Some of your countries, they persecute gay people. There are just so many things that people do that, if you reach the country, you can declare and say, you know what, it's dangerous for me to go back, and that they call what? Asylum. You have to find a lawyer, obviously. Janet is not a lawyer. If you're joining me, Janet is going to a party, okay? It's graduation week in America, so don't worry about me, but I have to show up for my people. Have we covered visiting visa? How people go to America and the benefits of visiting visa? If you have any issues, Janet has already finished that. Go in the beginning of this video. I'm already done with that section. Okay, let's move. Student visa. Okay, keep sharing, and I see your comments and I love you. Someone says, Janet, you look great. Thank you so much. Okay, student visa. Again, you go to the website, canada.ca. Followers of Janet take time to put in, work. They read, they flip the pages on the computer, yes, you can flip pages on the computer, they are called windows, right? You flip them. You understand how to go to Canada as a student. Then you apply, okay? Now, for you to go to Canada as a student, I've done videos. Scroll down here, go on YouTube, follow janetrangi.com, you'll find those videos. As a student, you want to make sure you demonstrate again that you go back, okay? As a student, you have to demonstrate that you go back home at the end of the course. That is number 1. Always make sure. If you're a Janet Rangi follower, this is the time you have a passport. You're getting ready, okay? You're saving money, okay? You're starting to talk to your dad and your mom and your spouse and relatives who can sponsor you to Canada. So you want to start putting your bank statements together, okay? Now, study permit. Once you identify a school, it's called a designated learning institution. So you're not just going to go on the internet and you start booking any school in Canada. No. There are specific schools that are allowed to bring international students. And by the way, all of them, you can find them on canada.ca. What did you hear Janet saying? Okay, if you're new on this page, please follow. But if you're old, share with them. I always say, information is power, okay? You go to canada.ca, don't just apply to any school. Canada.ca has everything on one page. You learn, okay? And you choose a school, and you compare fees, and you compare states, and you compare other notes, and you decide, okay? Once you reach in Canada as a student, what are the benefits? You can work 20 hours a week. Do you understand? And then, when you finish school for 2 years, there are chances that you will stay in Canada as a permanent resident if you find an employer. Okay? Alright, I'm just telling you. This is not magic. And let no one on this page, if you see them on the comments telling you it's not possible, exit. As we know it's possible until it's not possible, and we never give up. Okay? And especially if you're already in America, especially if you're already in Canada, how did you reach there? So why would you tell other people not to go? Okay? No. We are not taking that. Okay? All right. I love you so much for coming. Janet is explaining how basically people reach there. And you can be one of them if you choose to. You just have to put in the work. Now, if you reach there as a student, you can work 20 hours per week and help yourself go to school. Okay? After you're finished, there will be many opportunities. To be quite honest, this is the best visa to have, in my opinion, based on my research. When you're a student, it's just always easy. They have more opportunities. After a while, you show that you have Canadian education. They want to keep you, okay? And last week, I covered a section where Canada removed, like, is offering 90,000 visas, and most of them went to international students, of course, and frontline workers. Okay? And we know those things can feel very quick. But does it mean we are not going to talk about it? No. We are going to talk about it because we know that is how it's going to happen for us. Okay, that's how you are going to improve people's lives. So target to graduate. Basically, that's what Janet is saying. Go on Canada.ca, find a designated school, have your bank statement, prove that you'll go back. Never say, yeah, when I go there, I plan to stay and work. They will deny you a visa. Because it's a temporary visa. Are you understanding? Okay. Any temporary visa. Follow directions. They want you to show ties back at home, things that will make you go back home. Okay, so that is number 2. That's how people go. And by the way, if you go on a student visa, again, you find someone that loves your accent, someone that loves your dress, someone that loves your hair. Okay, you will fall in love. If you fall in love and you're single and it's legitimate, of course they'll give you what? Permanent residency. I mean, tell me if you're in Canada and you are not born there, how you went there. Police. It's just what Janet is telling you. It's just what Janet is telling my people. Okay, this is just what is plain truth. Okay, nothing is promised, but if you don't try, you have no chance, period. Okay, and if someone tells you it's not possible, exit. Okay, all right, I've covered 2 ways. Let's go to the third one. Janet is gonna cover these things quick. Express entry. Again, seasoned people on this page know express entry. For those who are new, I'm summarizing for you so you can catch up. I know you have a lot of homework to do, okay? But welcome on the page. You have a lot to catch up, and this information is for everyone. In Ghana, okay? In Nigeria, in Kenya, in America, in London, in Tokyo. Tell me where you are. Of course, I know where you watch from. This is the world. Did you see the title? The whole world knows this, okay? And the whole world is doing it. And as we are bringing ourselves to express entry. You again go to Canada.ca, okay? You familiarize yourself with the Canadian website, and you go under what? Express entry. You can go and fill in the form just to weigh yourself. Where do you fall? Of course, express entry. The best chance you have is to be in Canada. Never get me wrong, okay? When you're in Canada, it's just going to be faster. But it's okay for you to start these processes as you plan other ways of going to Canada. That is what I will do. Plan myself, start myself a profile, which will be on that website for 2 years, okay? Once it's on there, you start working on other ways of going where? To Canada. Express entry, you go, they will give you a score. It's called a CRS score, okay? Now, I told you the points are dropping. It went to 417, which most people can qualify, especially my followers. They will ask you your age. The younger, the better, but not so young. I think the people that get the most points are around 35 to 45 because usually they are young, energetic, with experience. You understand? Depending on your age, you'll get points. Just because you're 25, you'll get points. Just because you're 45, you'll get points. And just because you're 50, you'll get points. Some more, some less. Are you married or not? Okay? They will ask you if you have relatives in Canada. This is one of the only things I can tell you. If you have a relative in Canada, it adds points. Now, don't go on student visa and say, I'm going to stay with my sister because I have my cousin, my first cousin, and then they will let me stay. No, they will deny you a visa. But express entry, if you have someone there, they know when you're ready to immigrate, you have people to get you started. You have family ties. Because they know you are going now on a job, you are going to probably stay there permanently. So that is okay. Understand. If this information is too much, please rewind and get what Janet is saying. Never use, you listen to one snippet and you think you know. No, you don't. You have to listen to the whole video, and more likely you have to watch so many Janet Rangi videos to even understand what she's saying, okay? So anyway, your age will matter, okay? Your work experience will matter. Your education level. Do you have a diploma? Do you have a degree? Do you have a master's? Do you have a PhD? All those are just points. Work experience, okay? Work experience, again, points, okay? They also ask you previous employers, letter of recommendation. You want to prepare all these things. Let me summarize. Express entry, basically what Janet is saying. It's a long process. You start a profile. You provide information. Once they are satisfied, they will invite you to apply for permanent residency. What is this information they need? Demographic data, what I've just been mentioning. Name, age, married, single, okay, educational level, or work experience. What do you need? You need your education. You need to go back to your school, have all the graduate degrees sent to WES, World Education Services. It will the World Education Services will evaluate their paperwork, and then it will send it back to Canada and say, wow, this person went to Accra, this person went to Blantyre for 4 years. This is equivalent to Canadian high school. This is equivalent to Canadian university. They will communicate that information to Canada. Okay? Number 2, you have to do English or French. And on this page, we've talked about IELTS. IELTS. Type IELTS here for my new followers. You can go to British Council. You register. British Council is almost everywhere in your country. You start reading for IELTS. That's something you can change. That is something that will boost your points. You see, if you're 50, you can't change, okay? But you can change how if you score very well, if you prepare very well, okay, on IELTS, and you score very well, that will make a difference. Do you understand? Now, you've evaluated your documents, you've passed your IELTS, you have letters of recommendation, and you do all those things, and you enter in this profile. When your points reach a certain threshold, which they always announce, they will invite you to apply for permanent residency. You will do everything they ask you, and voila, you will fly to Canada, okay? So that's how people go. But when it comes to express entry, I can't stress this enough. I prefer that you start this process, but work on your visiting visa, but work on your student visa, but work on everything. Your target should be to go to Canada, okay? When you're in Canada, it will just be easier, okay? Am I saying it's impossible when you're out there? No. Do you need an agent? No. By the way, did you know agents watch Janet? Did you know agents in your city are watching Janet and making millions? If you didn't know, now you know, okay? They are learning, okay? They are learning from me, and then they are coming to do for you because you are not confident, okay? So that is what is happening. Now, express entry I've covered, okay? I don't know if you have any questions or comments, but that is the summary of going to Canada. Now, let's move on. Asylum, okay? I think I touched asylum at the beginning of this video, okay? I told you Janet is getting older, okay? But asylum, obviously, you must have, reasons like political persecution, okay? Yeah, did you need anything? What's that? Oh, okay. Like there? Right there. Oh, okay. Tell him I'm coming. Okay, give me a guys, I have a visitor. I told you it's graduation week. Okay. You can open for them the door and tell them I'm on my video. Thank you so much. I love reality TV, don't you? This is like reality TV. This is the real life. Okay? All right. Where was I? Okay, asylum, okay? Asylum, for you, okay, if you have any political issues, religious persecution, okay, many social issues where you think that your life is in danger, when you go to Canada, you can actually declare. I always say when it comes to these things, you want to find a lawyer, okay? And then another program that most people go to Canada for, okay? Provincial nominee programs, okay? Remember what I told you about this. Express entry is a federal program. Express entry is a federal program. But each province, each territory can also bring people, okay? It can bring people to Canada, all right? Through different programs, and they can give you. And by the way, if you didn't watch, follow Janet Rangi, follow the videos. You will learn how Janet taught people about provincial nominee programs, Northern Atlantic programs. I want to see if some of you can type some of those territories and provinces we were mentioning in the Northern Atlantic program, okay? Quebec, some of you can mention. So each province can have different opportunities, okay? And Janet is doing this as a crash course because I see many of you are following, and I see in your comments and yours, Janet, I'm new here. This is my first time. So Janet said, you know what, I'm going to do a crash course. And always remember, if you go to janetrangi.com, this is Janet Rangi, you'll see her on her website. On her website, Janet is very organized. Janet is very organized. And I'm putting you together. I want you to be like Janet, okay? I want you can I summarize for you how people go to Canada basically, okay? And they can work if you believe in yourself, okay? Visiting visa, I told you the benefits. Student visa, I told you. Express entry, I told you. Okay? Northern Atlantic programs, provincial nominee programs, I've told you, asylum and all those. All those are opportunities, and this is not an exhaustive list, but I've given you enough for you to start from somewhere, okay? And even visiting visa, what are the reasons? Graduation, okay? Conferences. And you have to watch the video where Janet Rangi tells you how to go on a conference. You're just not going to show up because there was an invitation. Do you understand, my friends? Do you love my dress? I know you love my dress. This is rich people dress, okay? You know, I'm telling you. Do I look good? Huh? Do I look good? This is my party today. My son is graduating this week. Okay, and now this is just time to celebrate the accomplishments. Okay, we are all happy. Okay, my son has 7 schools to choose from. I'm very happy. We are working with him. Okay, he's going to do pre-med, pre-medicine. He's going to do biology in the pre-medical track. As you all know, in America, you have to do the first degree before you do medicine. So he's joining that. He's been admitted to 7 schools because of your prayers. Because of your prayers, okay? And I love you so much for using your buttons, for showing up, okay? All right. One more look. Janet, I will show you shoes next time, okay? But for now, I'm just wearing flats, but I wear very high heels. They're going to be high heeled. But now I have sandals, you see? I'm just wearing sandals. For everything is bling, bling. Bling, bling, okay? Do you love this? I'll have different colors. Next time, I'll show you different colors. I love you so much for coming, by the way, okay? All right, this is like my. Okay, I'm going to show you one. Let me see the comments. Yes, I'm seeing the comments. I love. And by the way, this page, people help each other. People help each other. I love you so much for coming. And someone says, Grace, I told you, there are so many new people coming in. So that's why I do this crash course, okay? So that many of you can catch up. So now you've heard what Janet said. You need to go on her videos where she talked about visiting visa. You need to go to her videos where she talked about study permit in Canada. You need to go to her videos and study how people go through the Northern Atlantic programs. You need to go to her videos and study all this information she's doing. Janet has been doing this for a long, long time. Okay? All right. Okay. I love you so much for coming. Okay, someone says, Arusi, congratulations to your son, Janet. I just graduated last Thursday too. Congratulations to you, Arnold. Okay, all of you, I know it's graduation week. And congratulations to everything you're doing. Okay, I feel so bad that so many of you are watching. I wish I would stay very long, but I've summarized everything. Okay, maybe the dress is nice. Okay, someone says, Janet's beautiful. Thank you so much. Where are you from? Okay, some of you didn't tell me where I come from. And you know what? I love this detail. I don't know if you can see. The detail that just makes me happy is this. There's a black strip here that just makes this dress pretty. Okay? And then I have my high heels. And then, of course, my hairpiece is this is the center of attraction. You always want to have something that is the center of attraction. So that when you enter the room, people can turn heads. And by the way, it doesn't matter. You can wear things that people used to wear in the 30s. You can choose to wear things that people used to wear in the 50s. Okay? You don't have to go with fashion every time. Whatever makes you happy. Okay? All right. Thank you so much. I have visitors. Let me go and open the door. Okay? And I will see you in the next video. Until next time, muchas gracias. Kwaheri. Merci beaucoup. Muchas gracias. Until the next video. Dot is like beautiful. Okay? Someone says Franklin is like just composed. Someone is like Hongera. Thank you. I see all your comments. I come down there and say like. Okay, someone from Ghana says nice dressed. Okay, all right. Someone tells me very, very good. Okay, muchas gracias. But oh, did you see my blue nails? I don't like blue nails. I'm gonna make them black. Okay, someone says I will bring him on video today. I'll post a picture of him. He's going to something called prom. Okay, so I'll take a picture. That is where we are heading. He's going to. Like I have a black carpet out here. So I'll make sure I show you the pictures when he has the gown and everything. Okay? All right. The dress looking good. Someone is from Kenya. Thank you so much. Someone is from Sudan. I love you so much for coming. Okay, my brother works in Sudan. Okay, someone says the hairpiece is really nice. I love that. Someone is from Kenya University. Can I get a student visa? Yes, watch Janet Rangi. Okay? All right. Just be organized like Janet. I like that. I put you together. And by this, some people want to stay home and I'll teach them how to do business. But I just haven't found time. Okay? I'll just be pouring secrets. I'll pour for you ideas at home. You'll be like, Janet, I don't even need to come to America or Canada. I can just become a millionaire, Janet. After what you told me here, I will just come here and become a millionaire. Okay? Alright. Bye-bye. Let me open the door for my visitors. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Thank you for coming. Bye.